Secretariat. I said I'm not going there because I'm going to Kitwe. I'm here in Kitwe. I've left that call out behind. The idea was to stop me from coming here. That's the idea. If they are strong, Gabari Costa. Fish Latina. Why don't they want us to travel? Why don't they want us to visit provinces? Last time I went to Kasam. I think Chairman, you came.
Yes.
To go to court. They even didn't want me to go into court. There's no law that does not allow us to attend court sessions. But Mr. Pelamari Kosa, they made it possible for us to go in court, and we went inside there. That's the strength we must carry. If we show fear, they will steal our vote again. This time, I told you already, when I came out of prison, that we are 10 times stronger. You must be 10 times stronger. Today,